So my last 2 stitches will be in the bottom of the chain there. Now, because this is the last round, instead of joining with a slip stitch, I'm going to use a little trick that is going to stop us having an extra stitch, because when we come to square the circle later, that could cause problems. So I've just pulled that thread, that strand of yarn through. I'm just going to thread it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to effectively hide that stitch by creating another one over the top. So that will be where I would slip stitch in. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go from back to front through there. There's various different ways of doing this, but this works for me. And then, so you can see I'm going over that other stitch and just pull that. And then I'm going to thread the yarn back through the top of the stitch that I've pulled it through. And then I'm just going to pull it tight enough to create a new stitch. So you've effectively got the V of a new stitch just there. Just pull it a little bit tighter. And I'll turn that over and I will just secure it with a few stitches. You don't want it too tight because it does that. I'm just going to pull that back out. There we go. Just helps the join to be a little bit more invisible. So I'm just going to weave the ends in a little bit. Oh, somebody's come to play. And there we have a little motif.